I'm wearing Hermes 24/7 and the Clarins Instant Light. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two unboxing. One from Louis Vuitton and one from Hermes. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm MJ. And if you want to be a part of my YouTube family, just hit the bell below and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. So, and if you missed out my huge birthday and Christmas unboxing for 2020, I will link it in the end of this video. She put a card on the box, quickly open, and it's the beautiful tree with the Louis Vuitton logo. And they just wish me a happy new year. And thank you for the year who has passed. Best wishes from Louis Vuitton. Thank you. She didn't give me a Christmas bag, you know, like this. But I have this one from my Christmas and birthday unboxing. Just open. And it guesses. It's not a scarf. It looks like a scarf box. It's not. And to reveal, she puts the beautiful paper inside, and as it says Louis Vuitton here, it's open. Take it out, put the box away, inside this envelope. It's plenty stuff in here. Ah, it's like a gift. I got the, show what it is. It's like, is it? It's a ribbon. You can see that. So if I want to wrap something, the ribbon says Louis Vuitton. And tape. And this is, I think, is a light. It's a light. So you pull out there. See? That's nice. And paper lantern setup instruction, so I can build this. So this is like a house you can build. I I have another thing from Louis Vuitton. I thought that was in the box, but I will do that video later. So over to this one. This is from Hermes, and this is preload. So I'm pretty excited for this one. She put a bag inside box. So here is the bag, and inside it's a scarf, and I'm not sure what the scarf's name is. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. So it's a silk scarf, 90 centimeter, and it's like a brown tone and green. If you follow me, you know I love green, and it's bird. And it has the logo there. So look, put it on. So this one you can wear it many ways too. Just put it on like this now. Love this color. So I think this is perfect for spring. It's like a spring scarf. I know it's winter here in Norway, but I could not let this go. I got a great deal, and I think it's pretty. Just wear it another way. You can also just wear it like this, and I think it's piff up any outfit, and you can have a, you know, like a belt ring here too, and you can tie it. Plenty way to wear it, and you can also put it in your hair. What do you think? I think it would be very pretty for the spring. And I'm a huge scarf lover, and I'm always using scarf, winter, spring, autumn. So if you're like me, I never get enough scarf. That was my little unboxing, and I wish you all still happy holidays. And it's soon Christmas, so Merry Christmas, and hope I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.